What's going on, guys? Eric here from TheWiscoGuyz. In today's video, we're gonna see what happened to Poop Truck. We're gonna get it on the lift, and we're gonna see where the damage was really on it. What happened, what let loose. Was the oil pan, if it was the block, maybe the side of the head. You know, that'd be pretty crazy, but we'll take a look at that. I gotta get it in the shop. Gotta get it towed down there, and then once we get it in, we'll get a lift up, see what's going on there underneath the hood, see what happened. You know, I kind of know why it happened, but we'll just see what's going on in there. And then once I take a look at that, I'll start tearing off some pieces off this, like the tail lights and all like that. And what else am I gonna take off this thing? There's a couple other things I gotta take off, but other than that, I mean, let's get this thing towed in by myself, so I don't know if I can do this myself. So next clip, you'll probably see it raising up on the lift. All right, got her in. So let's get this thing lifted up. Yeah. Alrighty, let's see what we got going on here. Not really seeing much yet. I don't know where the oil came from. Has to be a hole somewhere. Maybe behind the starter. I don't know. Can't really tell. Dang it. Thought it like would have blew through the side of that oil pan or something. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah. Nothing much. Alrighty, well, I guess it's time to get these tailpipes off. So I'm gonna get this off there, and then this off here, and I just pull them all, and I can go from there. Yeah, we got these pretty much sold, so do my hack weld jobs. That's alright though. Alrighty, I'm gonna set you guys up and then get those things off there. I already broke one off right here, so we're gonna try to see if we can break all these off. I don't think I'm gonna have to cut them off, so or cut the tailpipes off, but pull it. Suppose if you get one off, you get the other side off too. Alright. Make sure you're wearing safety goggles when you're doing this rusty shit. Alright. Well, they all broke, so I should be able to get them off easy. can only taste this rust. Alrighty, so got those off. I hope it just slides out, but I doubt it will. There we go. Fucking perfect. I think I'm still gonna have to cut the front section here. Right here, I'm gonna have the cutter. I'm just not, I don't want to deal with all that. No one's gonna buy that section. Just the tailpipes are worth some money, so. Alrighty, I'm gonna do that right now. Alrighty. So, got that cut off. We're just gonna take that out. Nothing like an adjustable wrench. I was known for back in my BMX days, I could fix a bike with a crescent wrench and a 6mm Allen. But, safety. I'm gonna have to take the diff thing for the brake slash vent hose for the axle off. Shit. Kind of being a bugger. Alrighty. So I just ended up cutting the brake line. I'm gonna drive this truck anymore. I'm just gonna scrap it. So tailpipes are out. So got that. So next up, taillights out and then the battery out. Alrighty, hopefully I can get the tailgate open so we get the taillights off. Taillights are out now. Those are sold. That's good. Alrighty. So, got the battery out now. Pretty new battery. It's only like a year old. 850 cold cranking amp Motorcraft Ford one. Since I work at a Ford dealer, it worked in here because someone switched the cables to top post instead of that side post crap that GM had, which was probably the best thing they ever did to that truck. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna shut the hood. And I'm gonna take all the junk out of the back, throw that away, and then get it up on the hill and call the tow guy. So, alrighty. Yeah. Well, this is it's probably the last video with this truck. I'm gonna say it is because, like I said before, it's gonna go calling the tow guy today. But just want to say to anybody that's ever watched these videos of mine, I didn't buy this truck for that much, and it lasted over 3 years. So yeah, no, about 2.5 years, I would say. So I bought it for like $700-800 bucks, put maybe 500 into it. You know, I didn't even put tires on the thing, and it was a good truck. It's been a good truck. You know, it probably would have lasted probably another 2 or 3 years if I wasn't, you know, rodding out all the time. So but other than that, you know, if anybody's looking for like a first truck or just a beater truck, I would definitely recommend one of these for sure. So, and who knows, maybe I'll get another one down the road for just a wood hauler or beat up truck or whatever. But on that note, guys, I don't know how long this video is going to be, so we're just going to end it right here. I'm going to clean up the other truck, but I'm not going to videotape that. That's uninteresting. So sorry I couldn't find the hole in the block or the hole in the head or a hole in the oil pan, but definitely was leaking oil off that passenger side. So, but yeah, say goodbye to this truck. Bye-bye. All right, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more content, not on this truck, but on the Ranger or the Firebird, because we're going to start working on that because the snow is going away. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and comment below if you owned one of these trucks or want to own one of these trucks, or I could kind of give you some info on them. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day or a night.